Chemistry.
Hi guys, welcome to Chemistry. So for today's video, we'll be talking about chemical and physical properties of a matter. So let's go. First is chemical properties. What is chemical properties? Chemical properties describe the characteristic ability of a substance to undergo chemical change or reaction to form a new substance. Or in other words, it is the characteristics ability of a substance to react in order to form a new substance. Unlike physical properties that can be observed without changing substance composition, a chemical property is established by affecting the substance's internal structure and bonds. These are examples of chemical properties. Flammability, whether a compound will burn when exposed to flame. Toxicity, the quality of being toxic or poisonous. Radioactive or radioactivity, the property of some unstable atoms to spontaneously emit nuclear radiation. Corrosive, the power of a substance to destroy other materials through chemical reactions. And now we're done with chemical properties. Let's now move to physical properties. A physical property is any of the property of a physical system that is measurable. Or in other words, it is the properties that can be observed without changing the identity of a substance. These are the examples of physical properties. Melting point, the temperature at which a solid turns into a liquid. Boiling point, the temperature at which a liquid turns into a gas. After knowing some examples of physical properties, let's now discuss the two types of physical properties. Intensive properties, which simply means it does not depend on the amount of matter present. Some examples of intensive properties are density, color, melting point, boiling point, hardness, and luster, or shininess. And lastly, extensive properties, which simply means it does depend on the amount of matter present. Some examples of extensive properties are mass, volume, length, and shape. On the last note, Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not your own understanding. These Bible verses encourage us to trust in the Lord completely and not rely on our own understanding. It instructs people to acknowledge God in all their actions with the promise that He will guide their paths. That's all for today's lesson, guys. Thank you for watching.